Ahoy! My name is Kurt, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a bit of a different video for you. I've been wondering if it's possible to create a mold for UV resin using foam clay instead of using silicone or plaster. To avoid wasting too much material in case this experiment doesn't work out, I decided to use a Power Rangers power coin. It's a small coin with a simple design. So I grabbed my foam clay, and if you don't want to miss any of my videos or crazy experiments, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. I let the foam clay air dry for a few minutes to reduce its moisture and stickiness. I crafted a foundation from 1 mm thick craft foam so that the foam clay has something to hold on to in these challenging times. I carefully pressed the coin into the foam clay and repeated the process with another coin. I let everything dry overnight and gently removed the coin from the mold the next morning. I was surprised at how good the imprint looked. However, the downsides of this procedure were already apparent. The mold can only be used once, as the foam clay will form a bond with the UV resin, ultimately destroying the foam clay. That's already a drawback, one of many. Since the imprint was not yet dry, I set it aside for another night. On the next day, I took my UV lamp and UV resin and applied some of the material to the foam clay imprint, starting with a relatively thin layer of resin. In retrospect, I would have liked to remove the air bubbles, but we'll have to live with that for now. I turned on the UV lamp and let the resin cure for 2 passes. Then I added more resin to the mold and repeated the process. After a few minutes, I could remove the imprint from the mold, resulting in a lump of foam clay and resin. I soaked the lump in warm soapy water and scrubbed the foam clay with a toothbrush. This honestly took over half an hour for both coins. Another downside, the cleaning process is just too time-consuming, material and time wasted. In the end, the coins turned out relatively well. I think for small pieces or projects, this procedure can be worthwhile if you don't have other materials on hand. In the long run, it's not really cost effective, but I just wanted to try it out. Maybe it'll help someone out there. So, thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you again next time. Until then, take care.